Okay, so how did you get on with that task, that assignment? Hopefully you did okay and got something very similar to this. So I'm just in the enemy attack script. So first of all, I created a serialized field, simple float, and I called this one max distance equals 20f. You can call that whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. But this obviously tells me that this is the maximum distance away from the player whereby the music will come on or off. And then I created a private boolean called musicon, which is equal to false. And I simply set musicon is equal to false also in the start. It's like you know, just a double check to make sure that that's set to off. And then under the update, underneath this distance to player, I put if distance to player is less than max distance and if musicon is equal to the value of false, then chase music.gameObject set active to true, so it switches it on, and instantly switch music on to true. Okay, just to tell Unity we're now playing the music. And then else if distance to player is greater than max distance and if music on is equal to the value of true, then chase music.gameObject set active to false, so it switches it off, and set music on to false. Now obviously this is the light switch method, so by instantly switching this this boolean to true, it means that we're not going to be running that particular command again and again every frame. So obviously that's processor intensive, isn't it? Switching on the game object on and off all the time. So we only need to do it in one frame until this condition is met, and then we just simply reverse it all in one frame. Okay, so that's the best way to do it. Great, so now we should have some music coming on when the enemy begins to chase us, and it makes it so much more intense.